you had to choose just one, a 401k or a Roth IRA, which one would actually make you richer over time?
This is one of the most important financial decisions you will ever make, yet most people don't fully understand the difference. The truth is, both of these accounts are designed to help you build wealth for retirement, but they work very differently when it comes to taxes, and that one difference can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime if you choose the wrong strategy. Some people pick a 401k because they want to save on taxes today. Others prefer a Roth IRA because they want to avoid taxes completely in the future. But what most people miss is how powerful this decision comes when your money compounds over 20, 30, or even 40 years. In this video, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible.
Let's start with the 401k because this is the account most people are already familiar with. A 401k is a retirement savings account offered by your employer, and it's one of the easiest ways to start investing. The biggest advantage is that it uses pre-tax money. That means the money you contribute is taken from your paycheck before taxes are applied. So if you earn $5,000 a month and contribute $500, you only pay taxes on $4,500. That lowers your taxable income today, which means more money stays in your pocket right now.
Another powerful feature is employer matching. Many companies will match a portion of what you contribute, which is essentially free money added to your account. Over time, this can significantly boost your retirement savings. However, there's a trade-off. You will pay taxes later when you withdraw the money in retirement. Now let's talk about the Roth IRA, which works very differently. Unlike a 401k, a Roth IRA uses after-tax money. That means you pay taxes on your income first, and then you invest what's left. At first, this might not sound like a big advantage. But here's where it gets powerful. Once your money is inside a Roth IRA, it grows completely tax-free. And when you withdraw it in retirement, you pay zero taxes on both your contributions and your gains. That means if your investments grow significantly over time, you keep every dollar. This makes the Roth IRA incredibly powerful for long-term investors, especially younger people who have decades for their money to grow. However, there are limits. You can only contribute a certain amount each year, and there are income restrictions. But despite those limits, the tax-free growth makes it one of the most valuable tools for building wealth. So now that you understand both accounts, let's simplify the key difference. A 401k gives you a tax break today, but you pay taxes later. A Roth IRA does the opposite. You pay taxes today, but never again in the future. This decision comes down to one simple question. Do you think your taxes will be higher or lower in the future? If you believe your income will increase over time and you will be in a higher tax bracket later, the Roth IRA could save you a significant amount of money. But if you think your income will be lower in retirement, the 401k might make more sense. This is why understanding your long-term financial situation is so important. The choice you make today will impact how much of your money you actually get to keep in the future. Let's make this real with a simple example. Imagine you invest $500 every month for the next 30 years and earn an average return of 8% per year. Over time, that money could grow to over $500,000. Now here's where things change. In a 401k, you will pay taxes on that entire amount when you withdraw it. Depending on your tax rate, that could reduce your final balance significantly. But in a Roth IRA, you pay zero taxes when you withdraw the money. That means you keep the full amount. This is where the power of tax-free growth becomes very clear. Over decades, avoiding taxes on your gains can make a massive difference in your final wealth.
So which one is actually better? The honest answer is it depends on your situation. If your employer offers a 401k match, that should always be your first priority. Free money is something you never want to miss. After that, many people benefit from investing in a Roth IRA because of the tax-free growth. In fact, a common strategy used by financial experts is to combine both, use the 401k to get the employer match, and then invest in a Roth IRA for long-term tax-free growth, where this gives you the best of both worlds.
It allows you to reduce taxes today while also protecting your future wealth from taxes later. Before we finish, let's quickly go over a few common mistakes. The biggest mistake people make is not investing at all. Waiting too long can cost you years of compounding growth. Another mistake is ignoring employer match, which is essentially turning down free money. Some people also keep their money in cash instead of investing it, which means it loses value over time due to inflation. And finally, many people panic during market downturns and stop investing altogether. The key to building wealth is consistency. The earlier you start and the longer you stay invested, the more powerful your results will be. So here's your simple action plan. If your employer offers a 401k, start contributing today and get the full match. Then, if you can, open a Roth IRA and begin investing consistently. Keep your strategy simple, stay consistent, and give your money time to grow. If this video helped you understand the difference between a 401k and a Roth IRA, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple money content every week. Your future self will thank you. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk, and you should always do your own research before taking any action.